Hey there guys, so in this video I'm going to be talking about iOS and why you should learn Swift. So Swift is one of the best languages to learn in 2018 and 2019 and up to 2020 I think you are going to have no problem in learning Swift before Apple actually changes its primary language, and I guess that it won't do it anytime soon. So don't be hesitant if you're already learning Swift or intermediate, but for the beginners, let me tell you why we should learn Swift. All the applications of the iOS App Store are made of Swift. I mean, mostly about 99% of them. So Swift is basically one of the easiest languages to learn. It's similar to Kotlin. If you're kind of about Java, it's basically how Java and Kotlin are used for Android app development, while Swift is used for iOS app development. So if you have a Mac laptop, if you have a Mac Pro or a Mac, you can easily learn Swift by actually doing it and coding it on the Xcode, which is available by Apple on the Mac OS. And it's really great to learn Swift because you are opening yourself to the possibility of becoming a potential iOS developer professionally or just as a hobby as a student. Not only that, but learning Swift, you can create thousands of different iOS applications. And this is not only great for your portfolio, whether if you're a student, but it's also great if you want a job as an iOS developer, or you want to create the next best startup, who knows. You are your own limitation, I guess, so you can do whatever you want. So why you should learn Swift is due to two things. The opportunities available in iOS. iOS is not going anywhere. Even though Android has come and actually dominated the market in terms of market share, the revenue is by far 70% within iOS. That means the demand for iOS developers is beyond the roof, and it won't go anytime anywhere soon. So by actually learning Swift and actually becoming an expert in it, guess what? You can do freelance gigs, you can be a software developer and consultant, you can be a full-time iOS developer at major companies. You're going to have so many opportunities, you'll never run out of these. And by far, it's one of the best languages to learn, and it was one of the first languages which I learned as well in my top 5 regions. So that was one of the reasons why I kept this in the top 5. So I put about 10 links or resources for you guys down below in the description about tutorials on how to get started, why you should learn that, and how you should actually go into the process. What are the step-by-step process in which you should follow to become an expert in it. So I actually put a link to a course, which is amazing, by the way. I personally took this course. It's iOS 11 from Udemy, and it was one of the best courses which I learned about AR kit, machine learning kit, the new augmented reality framework from Apple. It was amazing. Check those out, guys. If you have any questions at all, listen to ask, and I'll see you in the next video.